Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel fans. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Just got back from picking this crate of Hot Wheels up, 5 packs, and a few singles of some other cars. Figured I'd show them to you. I think he said he got them from an estate sale. Anyway, I start with the singles. Got a Hot Wheels Pro Racing, Kyle Petty. Got some kind of Chelsea King. Funny car. Kenny Bernstein. Kind of American Muscle. 65 Pontiac GTO. American Muscle again. Looks like a 69 Cougar Eliminator. And the Hot Wheels 5 packs. Looks like we got a Spin Storm 5 pack. It's got 50s Cruisers. Got a motorcycle. Mm. Got a Graffiti Rides 5 pack. Got a Police Pursuit 5 pack. The helicopter. Got a Trap Builder. Got a Fan Stands. Got a Rescue Racers 5 pack. Got another Graffiti Finds. We didn't see that one. Got a House Calls gift pack. Hmm. Sure get there fast with the pizza on wheels, won't you? Got a Stunt Devil 5 pack. Little stunt plane. Stunt cars. Got another Police Pursuit. We saw that one. Oh, you got a 50s Favorite 5 pack. Hmm. Got an X Racers 5-pack. Got a Showbiz for a little Cobra. Some kind of T-Bird. Got a Hollywood fancy car. Another Hollywood looking car. Hmm. And we got another Rescue 5-pack. I've seen that one. Got Track Stars. Another Stunt Devil. Done seen that one. Another Track Stars. We done seen that one. And we got another X Racers. But anyway, just wanted to see what I had in the crate here. I'll do some more videos of the individual 5-packs later. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos at 1/64 scale racing, please. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.